And Daniel Abraham.
Doesn't matter.
Nicely done.
Woo, woo, woo.
I'm Adrienne Langs. I'm on the Books editorial team, so I'm going to be asking the author the books questions. So as you may or may not know, James S.A. Corey is actually two people. I don't know how you split up who gets which half of the name.
I'm the James half, he's the Corey half.
Got it. So this is Daniel next to me and Ty on the other side. So my understanding, Ty, is that The Expanse started as a role-playing game.
No, it didn't.
Okay.
It actually started as a pitch for a video game.
Okay.
And then eventually evolved into a role-playing game and then books.
Okay. So how did you and Daniel start working together on it?
Well, there was this role-playing game. Ty moved to Albuquerque, which is my city, and was running a role-playing game up in Santa Fe for a bunch of the writing community up there. And I had a kid and I couldn't go. So he agreed to run a smaller version of it in Albuquerque for me and him and our wives. And we played it like 3 or 4 times before I said, dude, this should be a book. And I don't know, he didn't know enough not to say no to that. So worked out pretty well.
In the original video game / role-playing game, were there the 3 elements already there? The Earth, Mars, and the Belters?
Yeah. So initially we were asked to put together, and by we I mean myself and a friend of mine, Emily, were asked to put together an idea for an MMO. And at the time, World of Warcraft was the biggest thing. And it had 2 factions. I was like, we'll kick ass. We'll have 3 factions. So that's why there's Earth, Mars, and the Belt in the initial thing, yeah.
Okay. So then how long did it take to write the book together? From I think this is a good idea or something we should try to...
50 days.
Yeah, Wednesdays. It was Wednesdays. It was all Wednesday. Well, Ty had a day job. And so his day off was Wednesday. And we'd worked out the outline, and we'd get together Wednesday morning and outline the 2 particular chapters we were working on, and then get drafts of those and swap, and each of us would edit the other guy's work, and then after that we'd play Xbox.
That was your reward?
Well, that was actually how the whole thing started. Okay. I was thinking, come over on Wednesdays, let me degrade your productivity, and didn't work.
So every book now takes 50 days to write, is that right?
if we're lucky.
None of the Expanse books, not talking about the Expanse books, but there was a book that we wrote where probably 30 to 40% of it was done in a long weekend. Not an Expanse book, but...
it was an unpleasant weekend.
It was a hard weekend. Yeah.
So book 8, Tiamat's Wrath, just released on Tuesday.
Woo!
Congratulations. And book 9 is the end of the series, is my understanding. Do you mentally know where it's going to end up?
Yep.
Okay. Does the cast know where it's going to end up?
Yikes.
Don't kill me, please.
Spare me as well, please.
So you haven't read book 8.